Hey everyone, it's Dan from The Food My Beard. I'm here on my roof to make some just classic backyard barbecue type food that I've been craving for so long. I got my Shaw's haul here that I went to the store and picked up, all products from the signature line. I have some awesome fusilli and mayo that I use to make this beautiful pasta salad. And I also have this ranch dressing, pickles, and this huge thing of bacon that I used to make a potato salad. I'm gonna put the link to both of those recipes in the post below, but today we're here to make the main event, and that is an awesome cheeseburger with Cajun shrimp on top. For this recipe, all I'm gonna need is these Signature Select buns. I have this Signature Select Wagyu ground beef that I'm gonna make the burger patties out of. I've earlier skewered some shrimp and really just like doused it with Cajun seasoning. I have a couple slices of cheese I'm gonna throw on there. And I also earlier I made some avocado crema, and this is just gonna add like a freshness to the burger. A lot of people ask me, what do you do to make a really good burger? And I think to me is I just don't mess with it too much. Form the patty, and that's it. Like some people will be inclined to like put some seasonings in there and stuff, but I don't think you want to. Sometimes I'll do it once in a while if I have like a theme for a certain burger, but for a truly good burger, I just want to touch the meat as little as possible. Don't sort of stir it around with a fork. Don't really add seasonings to the inside. I have the grill preheating. I'm gonna meet you guys over there and throw all this stuff on. The shrimp's gonna take much less time than the burgers, but I wanted to put them on at the same time as the burgers so they're ready to just go right on top of the burgers when they're done. I'm also gonna get the buns on now just to get them out of the way. After the burger goes down, we're gonna put a little bit of this avocado crema on top, and that is gonna keep the shrimp like nicely attached. And again, you can get the recipe for this on my website. I think like 3 is a good amount for each. And what do you know? I don't know how it could have worked out so perfectly. Look at that. These are gonna go perfect with that pasta salad and the potato salad, everything that I made with the Shaw's signature line of products that you can find exclusively at Shaw's or any Albertsons grocery store. It's like perfect backyard flavors. When I was young, I used to put Cajun seasoning on all my burgers, like aggressive Cajun seasoning. It's kind of fun because the shrimp on this burger brings me back to those olden days of like cooking a frozen patty on my George Foreman grill. But you can really taste the high quality of all the ingredients going on here. The Signature Select beef is perfect to make burgers with. You know, they grilled up really nice. A lot of the fat sort of stayed in the patty, which is what you want for a burger. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, everything else, and follow along The Food My Beard for more great recipes.